Welcome to this video tutorial on how to collect indicator data in the Indicator Performance Tracking table. To begin, access your indicator in the project framework and navigate to the Performance Tracking table. Here, you'll input and update your data points. Data points are the foundation of your indicator tracking and include baseline, target, and actual values. Baselines are typically one-time measurements at the project start, while targets and actual values follow specific reporting schedules set in the indicator profile. For this particular indicator, target values are reported annually, while actuals are reported quarterly. If your indicator includes disaggregation, data are collected at the lowest disaggregation level. This allows for a detailed and accurate assessment of your project's performance. You can expand or collapse disaggregation values to focus on the level of detail you need. Now let's proceed to inputting data. For the indicator targets, we'll populate values for all reporting periods. Once this task is completed, we'll navigate to the Actual tab to input values for the 2022 and 2023 reporting periods. We'll employ two distinct data entry methods to capture indicator actuals. Remember that filters can be applied to focus on specific reporting periods. For efficient data entry, let's utilize filters and capture data for all quarters of 2022. Once the filters are applied, click the cell for the indicator disaggregation and reporting period to record indicator actuals for a specific time frame. Now, let's explore a different method for capturing indicator actuals for 2023. In this approach, you can download a reference sheet template in MS Excel format to input data offline. This feature is useful to ensure accurate recording of project data, even in areas with limited or no internet connectivity. Proceed to fill in the downloaded file with indicator values and import the entered data back into the system. Exercise caution when importing data from the template as it overrides existing system data. Therefore, verify data accuracy and consistency before the import. After a successful import, save the indicator to observe how the indicator achievement is calculated and displayed in the associated log frame. This step ensures that the indicator data provides a clear view of the indicator's progress within the log frame. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more indicator tutorials and tips.